Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Aishwarya Palit. I am going to help you in ROS Noetic installation in your system. Before we get started with the installation, we should know what is ROS Noetic and why do we need ROS Noetic. Basically, ROS Noetic is the distributions of ROS which has readily available packages, plugins so that we can do the simulation into a faster and easier way. So, in layman terms, we can do the simulations of different robots very easily using this distribution. There are many different ROS distributions available. As you can see, the ROS Melodic, ROS Connect, but the latest one is the ROS Noetic, which is going to obsolete in May 2025. There is one prerequisite for the installations of ROS Noetic, that is, it supports Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. So, you should have installed Ubuntu 20.04 before installing the ROS Noetic in your system. So let's get started with the installation. Let me open the document for you. Okay, so here I'm going to type ROS Noetic installation. Enter, and we are going into the first link. Okay, so you can see here they gave us the instruction to select our platform. We are going to select Debian, and this is the instructions that we have to follow to install ROS Noetic. I'm going to use this document for our installation. Okay, now let me open terminal. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is we have to set up the source list. Okay, and this we have to do because before the installations of ROS Noetic, we have to set up the environment. So I'll copying the first command and pasting it here, and then giving password. Then this is done. Next, I'm copying the key. I have to set up the key. So I'm copying this, paste, and yeah, this is done. And now I have to update my system by sudo apt-update command. Okay, pasting. This will take little time, not much. Okay, okay, it's taking. Okay, yeah, now it's done. Now, as you go down, you can see there are different ROS Noetic installation available. So we are going to choose the ROS Noetic desktop full version because this supports simulation, perception, everything. So we are going to choose this one. Uh, this command take at least 20 to 30 minutes, so I have skipped the video and I reached at the end when the installations is done. Once it is done, we have to set up our bash file by this command. So I am setting up the bash, paste, yeah. So now it's done. Once the source is done, the next is we are going to check if the ROS get Noetic get installed or not. So I'm going to do that by a command ROS score. So ROS core, yes, and yeah, now you can see in the summary that it's showing ROS distro Noetic. That means the ROS Noetic got installed into our system. Thank you.